So guys, we're playing some games here in a bar called Hideaway, which is in Goa. This is in Anjuna. This is like this little bar which has like a very exclusive 35 people only, and it's very beautiful here. So in the sense, it's like this is the name of the restaurant.
You're nowhere near being funny.
What is hers?
I know one.
So we're playing this card game where you have to make whichever is the funniest card wins. So yeah, this is Hideaway. If you're new to this place in Goa, it's Hideaway. There's only 35 people allowed here, and it's a very chill place. So guys, this is a ham and cheese. What is this? Ham and cheese? Wow. So this is a ham and cheese sandwich. It comes with this and some veggies. So that's pretty good. I'll put the price in the description here. That's pretty good. And then she got a glass of wine, and we got some other drinks. So I'm having double because she didn't want to have a beer. So I had to take her beer.